Claude Opus 4.7 is one of the latest and most powerful AI models from Anthropic, designed to compete directly with models like GPT-5 and others at the top level. In this video, I'll break down what Claude Opus 4.7 offers, its key features, pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using. What is Claude Opus 4.7? Claude Opus 4.7 is a high-end AI module focused on advanced reasoning, long-form content generation, and professional-level tasks. It's part of the Claude 4 series, with Opus being the most powerful tier, meaning it's built for users who need accuracy, depth, and strong performance across complex tasks. Key features: strong reasoning and accuracy. Claude Opus 4.7 is designed to handle complex questions better than most models. It performs well in tasks like problem solving, coding, and detailed explanations. Long context window. One of its biggest advantages is the ability to handle very long inputs. You can upload large documents, long conversations, or even full reports, and it can analyze them without losing context. Natural writing style. Claude is known for sounding more natural and human-like compared to many other AI models. This makes it great for writing scripts, articles, and professional content. Safer and more controlled responses. Anthropic focuses heavily on AI safety, so Claude tends to avoid risky or harmful outputs more strictly than competitors. Good for coding. It performs well in generating and explaining code, debugging, and helping developers understand complex logic. Performance. In real-world use, Claude Opus 4.7 is fast and reliable. It handles long tasks without breaking context, gives structured and well-organized answers, works especially well for research, writing, and analysis. However, in some cases, it can be slightly more cautious, which means it might refuse or limit certain responses where other models might answer. Pros: excellent for long form content and deep explanations, very strong reasoning and analysis capabilities, handles large documents easily, natural and clean writing style, reliable for professional use. Cons. Now let's talk about the cons and disadvantages of the Claude Opus 4.7. Can be overly cautious sometimes, not always the fastest compared to lighter models. Premium access can be required for full features, less flexible in certain creative or edgy tasks. Pricing. Claude Opus 4.7 usually available through paid plans or API usage. Pricing depends on how you use it. Subscription plans for regular users, pay-as-you-go pricing for developers. It is generally positioned as a premium model, so it is not the cheapest option. Who should use it? Claude Opus 4.7 is best for content creators, especially long-form scripts and articles, students and researchers, developers and programmers, businesses needing AI for analysis or documentation. If you just need simple tasks or quick answers, a lighter model might be enough. Claude Opus 4.7 versus competitors. Compared to other top AI models, it's stronger in long context and structured writing, more cautious and safer in responses, slightly less aggressive in creativity compared to some competitors, so it really depends on what you value: accuracy and structure, or speed and flexibility. Final verdict. Claude Opus 4.7 is a powerful and reliable AI model, especially for serious work. It is not perfect, but it stands out in long document handling, in clean writing, and deep reasoning. If you need an AI for professional or heavy tasks, it's definitely worth considering. And that is it for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, consider subscribing to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get all the news about such topics. Tell me down below in the comments, have you used Claude Opus 4.7 before or not? And how was your experience? Thank you for watching, and see you in a new review video.